Learn this trick. It is so useful and important. You can hack into anybody's personality in just no time. And this is step 1. Hey guys, this is Kian here, your numerology metaphysicist. And here is how you're going to begin with a person's birth date, assuming that this person is born in the 13th of July 1990. All right, so we're going to draw a line. We're going to draw a triangle. All right, so we're going to segregate this into 4 segments. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add up the numbers. 1 plus 3 is going to give us 4. All right, 0 plus 7 is going to be 7. 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. And 10 is 1 plus 0. So it's going to be 1. 9 plus 0 is going to be 9. Okay? Then now we're going to add up another 2 numbers right here. 4 plus 7 is going to be 11. 11, it's 1 plus 1, right? So it's going to be 2. 1 plus 9 is going to be 10. And 10 will be 1 plus 0. Right, so it's going to be 1. And now we have 2 plus 1. That's going to give us the number 3. All right. What we're going to do here next is to get the outer number. We will add this up. 7 plus 2 going to equals to 9. Okay, 4 plus 2 going to equals to 6. So 6 plus 9 is going to be 15. So 1 plus 5 it's going to be 6. So we have 696 right here. We're going to do the same. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. And 2 plus 1 equals to 3. All right, so we have 213 right here. And then down here, we're going to add this up. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. 2 plus 3 is going to be 5. 4 plus 5 is going to be 9. Now just focus on this particular number. This is called the root number. So this root number determines the behavior and the operating system of this person. So on the next video, stay tuned. We will decode from number 1 till number 9 on the root number and how they operate and behave. All right?